сука, блять!
Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to make a remote code execution for the Linux, okay? And I'm going to try make it persistence way. Let's try creating the remote code execution with the MSF Venom and explore it with the MF console, but that all the antivirus will detect it and will stop the connection. Okay, so we are going either to create our own remote code execution with C language. Let's talk more code. Let's create the MS Vino USP Linux x64 shell reverse TCP host. It's the IP of the server, okay? In that case, that's my own IP. I'm attacking myself. Port. The port is configured on your router to connect the online way, okay? But in that case, we are attacking the local host, so I can create any port that wouldn't be a problem. Elf remote code execution dot elf. It's creating. Done. Most of the antivirus will detect it like the malware, so we will be a problem to attack it, to simulate the attack on the operational system with the antivirus. Okay, it's created. Let's go to MSF console to make the connection. Use exploit mulch handler. Okay. Use payload Linux x64 shell reverse TCP. Okay. The options to insert that port, it's the or machine. I can configure it to 40, but you can as well insert the server IP. And that's my IP. That's what I used before. Yes. The port is pre-configured with the 4444. That's it. Set exit. Let's try to attack. Okay, exploit. It's running. Started. Now it's waiting for the connection. I need to make it executable. Okay. Again. One session opened. Sessions. One, it's opened sessions, and I connected. There is it. In background. Yes, and the session still here. But if I connect and as the exit. Now we lost it, and if the target don't click twice again or execute the .elf, you lost the shell. Let's run it again. -I2 I am in help. That's the command the MSF console give to me. So the background, the sessions, the shell, download the files, upload the files, source, and that there is no persistent way to use it with the exploit. Okay, there's no persistence here. The shell, it's to make a interface more easy to use, like that. See, if I go back, it's closed. Sessions means no sessions. I'm gonna create the remote code execution with the C. Okay, so that way the code will be undetectable. I'm gonna start it, and as soon as possible I will explain the code. The code is done. I'm calling the import the libraries here, creating the variable int sock, okay, and the sock added there to the server. Here I'm creating the socket. FINet, it's to call the IPv4, okay, like that one, it's the IPv4. The sock stream, it's to create the TCP type, and the 0, it's the automatic protocol TCP. Server scene FNet, I'm calling the IPv4 to the server, calling the IP and calling the port. Okay, here I'm connecting the socket with the structure of the server and the size of the server. That we calling the server the IP and make the connection. The dub2 0, it's the string in, it's to watch, to read all that come from the shell. The sock2, it's to type and go to the sock, and the one, it's to go to the sock server, to the TCP connection, and the 2, it's the std error, okay, the error message on the terminal. Here I'm executing it in the shell, and return 0, okay, and the code is completely done. That simple code, you can test it on your own. The antivirus will not detect it because it's pretty simple and efficient. But like the RCE.elf, it's have no persistence yet. Okay, let's create it. Let's create the let's run it. It's running. Let's use the netcat. already in use. I need to close it. That's one session opened. Listening. There's it. We are connected with the netcat and with our code in C. Okay, that's awesome. But that's a little problem. If we pass the strings to our code, the IP is exposed because we created like a string, and with the strings mode you can see where the connection, where the service is going. Okay, so what we can do, we can comment this line and created the server sim addr dot s addr. I need copy it. And now we pass the HTONL. We can send here the IP, so in hex, okay, in hex mode. You can use the internet to convert the int numbers to hex, but I'm going to create on code very easy and functional to what we need. Okay. Include zero printf. What we're gonna do here? We need the number in hex. Okay, so it's going to start with the 0x, and now we are pass the 0% 2 for the fifth number. 02, it's to send two digits. Okay, first number, second, there is it. The first one is 192.168.1 and 8. Okay, now I pass the numbers here. Let's try it. I think it's correctly. Hex, hex, hex. There is it. Or hex, copy, and here we paste inside. That line is commented. I'm gonna remove it, and now I will create it again. Well done. Let's check the strings. You can see the IP because it's not a string, it's a hex value now. Okay, so that's a little more difficult to know where the connection is going. There's another ways to find out where the connection is point to the IP, okay, but they will not find out on the string. Let's check if it's working. Yes, it's working. You can see. Who am I? I'm Kali. If I disconnect and try again, it's broken and it's closed. We have no persistence here. Let's say you have the first connection, okay, like that. Let's say you have the first connection, okay. You can't lost that connection, so you need to make the persistent. You can find out the vulnerability of the system operational of the client. You can learn it on the hack the box and try hack me. That's a bunch of classrooms where you will find out how to explore the privilege and gain access to root and make a lot of things, okay. But in that case, okay, we won't run the line piece and nothing, okay. I'm gonna create an service and we are like pretending we know the root password, like the Kali Linux. Most of the user don't change the password, so the password keeps like the Kali, okay. And now we are going to create it, the RCE service, okay. I'm gonna use the here doc. It's way more easy to type some programs, so let's call it the rce.service service, okay. EUF, enter, unit, description, RCE, after, network target, service. We are simulating, we have the shell, okay. I will not use the directories and create mousepad to do that. Exec start, the pwd, I forget to use it, the pwd, no, that's the path, copy. Okay, you will send the file in somewhere hiding it, obviously, but here for text we are passing through the same directory. RCE service, restart always, restart sec, each 10 seconds, install wanted by multi user target. I hope I didn't type nothing wrong. EOF, and it's created. Let's check if it's correctly, and it's not correctly. It's restart. It's the restart. Okay, I just type something wrong here. That would be broke your code, of course, but let's forget it, and we would type all again. Okay, we would to watch here. I would be the restart was typed wrong. I didn't say it yet, but of course I'm not cheating you to make some crimes, okay. That's just for study purpose, okay, and see how the hacking works, okay. Not encouraging nobody, no one to commit crimes, okay. That's not the purpose of this channel, YouTube channel. Now we need to send it to the system, okay, system folder, but only root can send file to there, okay? And we are not root, we are Kali, okay? So with the printf, we are going to pass the password Kali and make the copy to the system, okay? So let's go to printf Kali, the password. We need to break it with the break line. Sudo minus s in uppercase and copy RCE service to the etc systemd system and pass the name again, RCE dot service. Not found? What? Что не так? Ебать. Oh, I forgot to type. No, I didn't. What? Printf. The file is here. I don't know why it didn't work. Bliat. We are using the netget. Let's go to the MSF Vino console. I have make the configurations same like the other options, the same way, okay? Exploit, and let's run the code already in use. There's it. We are connected. We are connected by the code we created in the C language, okay? Sessions 3. There's it. Shell. What? Okay. Okay, now we are in the shell mode, but connected to the port, okay? If I exit, it go to the normal key. You can see it abort the session. No. Now let's try again. Use the command I have created before, the printf. Printf Kali break the line. Sudo copy the RCE service to the etc systemd system and rename it RCE service. Not a directory. What? Я не понимаю, о чем, блядь, ты говоришь. Let's try again, man. Let's try again. Copy it. Paste. Блядь! Copy. Paste. Paste selection. Fuck, man. Service. I can go to the beginning. The fuck. Now we're talking, bitch. Now we're talking. We sent the file, okay? So now we need to make the daemon reload and enable the service and start the service, okay? Let's paste. No, I need to type all that fucking shit. Okay, no problem, man. We type it. Kali sudo systemctl daemon reload. Done. Printf Kali jump sudo use systemctl enable RCE service. Done. Printf Kali sudo systemctl start service. Done. Okay, now everything is done. Let's close it. The session is closed. Sessions means no, it's closed. Okay, let's do. Already news. Exit. Listening. It will not will execute because I'm starting the RCE service, man. Yeah, but it's not RCE service, it's just RCE, man. Bro, I'm gonna make the properly correction, but from here, okay? Now it's working again, and now we can make all the sudo systemctl daemon reload, enable RCE service, and start. Okay, I'm passing through here just to go further, more fast. But you see, it's connected. I no need to do nothing. I just make the proper corrections. And let's try again. For each 10 minutes, it will try to reconnect again. You see? There is it. Now we have the persistence, and it started there in the folder. And in that case, in the netcat, okay, we did it before with the MSF console, but because the terminal it's kinda a bad way to walk through the directories in that way. So you can check if the user have Python. You see, the user have Python, so we can pass this command spawn pin bash, and now we have the terminal. It's more easy to walk through the directories, okay? And if I close the connection and make it again, it will be reconnected without click or execute the program. No longer needed, and we need 10 seconds. Connected again. So there is it, fellas. We have somehow created the persistence connection, but creating on service, okay, passing the password. And there's it. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like it, thumbs up for more videos, and that's all for now.